Welcome to Integrated Algebra Regents Prep. This is the student dashboard. Students can access and navigate to their classes and assignments by clicking View. Here we have the course overview and additional resources for students and teachers such as graph paper and number lines. On the left-hand navigation pane, we have all of the topics for this course. And on the left-hand side of each folder, there is a drop-down menu. If you click on that drop-down menu, you will then see a pre-assessment along with several lessons and then a wrap-up assessment. All of these lessons are aligned to standards as well as the assessments. You can see the standards at the end of the name. If you click on the pre-assessment, you will see we have a description as well as a tutorial for using the equation editor in the assessment. The student will click Start and they are asked if they want to start and they will say yes. There are two types of questions in these assessments. There are multiple choice questions and short answer questions. Each question is tagged with a standard which will determine the student's individual learning path. When they are done, they will click Submit. The teacher will grade and return the assessment to the student. Now the student can click on the Details button and they can see the questions that they answered correctly or the ones that they answered incorrectly. At the bottom, you will see a breakdown of how well they mastered each standard. If a student missed any questions on a standard, they will be assigned to that lesson in their navigation pane.
Here you will see this student now has 3 lessons to review: AA 30, AA 31, and AN 1. All are on learning objectives they did not master. If you click on the lesson page, there is a review of the material on that standard, a video of a teacher going through a Regents exam question on that standard. It may be a question they have seen or a new one on that standard, and additional practice questions for the student to attempt, submit, and review their score on. All of these lessons follow the same structure: a review, a video, and additional practice questions. We also have a wrap-up assessment, which is a subset of questions on this topic between 6 to 8. Once the student has gone through this topic, they can move on to another topic in the course. Each topic flows the same way: a pre-assessment depending on how well they do, lessons to review and practice, and a wrap-up assessment. At the end of this course, there is a 20-day review. It is a bank of Regents questions by key topic and standard, additional practice for the student to complete.